Minista muviani useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwavuthiisya kyathi kya Kusyokethya vaa musyi iyoo cha ula unai munini wa president na ooyu Mutongoi wa kyama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua aiweta kinaina uito na umwe na vaita na umwe wa uteti kana ukwati kinaetea nthini ateo wasyo na wanangiko muthei ainene kavinani kandambuka ya jukwaa la usalama Kirinyaga. Murkomen nolulumiilia ngwamba thile ine yumililie kavinani kako mutho cha Gachagua inai kindu cha kuiendea itina wa atei make kulia kunenga polisi mauvoma vata yulu ambe undumenda Mutongoi wo kuthokwa kiwanzani cha ndeke cha JKIA na itina yulu wa vala ukwisila auma kiwanzani ki Benjamin Mwaka no kutwambisya vilingi wa mauvo.
CS Murkomen nuomba kiukithitu ikomano na kyathi cha kwiyo cha kumutho cha Rigathi Gachagua musyi chino ndambuka kya uteti ya metha miongo inaneta tukwe Amerika inene ya kuya kaunti ya Kirinyaga. Murkomen nuaweta kinai kyathi kitena vaita na umwe kwa nthi ateo ni mivingisano itena maana ya atei ma Gachagua kiwanzani cha ndeke cha JKIA undumwa ndalelo ni munene wa Mombasa Road.
I was, for example, very saddened that political activists were going to play games at our airport. I mean, you could see people want to invade inside the airport, and that is a very serious issue. The airport is a protected area. It's not a place to play the kind of politics that we saw. And you saw, you know, people entering inside the airport just with a lot of razzmatazz for absolutely nothing, for pure zero political value, zero economic value, zero PR. Whatever it was being done, it was just useless. And for it to be done inside the airport, it's just totally unacceptable.
Murkomen nolumililia ngwamba ithilina yumililia kwiyo ni mwigwa wa kwitona itino atei ma Gachagua musyi kulia kuona vaita wa kukwatiania na polisi no kana kusesea mivango yonthe ya kiuteti ya muthenya uwayo.
If the team was intended to do good for our country, they would have worked with the police. They would say, we are welcoming our visitor. Can you give us a designated area we want to welcome? Can our vehicles be parked in a particular manner? Can we be escorted to the place where we want to have a rally? And then everything would have been fine. When I said that they need to notify the police, I heard one of their leaders, former senator, saying that they have no obligation to notify the police and that they don't need the police to hold a meeting. So unfortunately, as a result of the absence of that notification yesterday, the police were not aware about what was going to happen, which route, what place. I wish they had heeded to my advice.
Onoguovo niwalumilia serikali ni kutwa isyo kunikeli no kana kusimana na mbulili ila inalikile ile mwatianio wa Gachagua kuma JKIA na kuwetu wanangiko wake tainga alini si atei ma Gachagua ondumwa na kuumisya andiki mama uvo kuma numbani kuthukanyo siku ila wasiumanea kwa vanene.
It is regrettable that the journalists were in that situation, and I think going forward we just need proper deployment of police officers so that they can also protect not just journalists but members of the public. That misuse of young people or sometimes hiring goons to just come and cause terror is an issue of great concern to us in the security sector. And so, as I said, investigations must be done to find out who exactly organized them and for what purpose.
Kuma Kusyokethya kwiyo Mutongoi wa kyama cha DCP ndanesa kwiyumilia kunena wandani vilingi wa mauvo kumava musyini wa Ilovi Janito Benjamin Mwaka.